Tired of juggling between RingCentral and Zoho CRM? Losing valuable context with every call? Let's ditch the chaos and supercharge your sales and support by integrating RingCentral directly into Zoho CRM. First, navigate to the Zoho Marketplace. Look for the puzzle piece icon, usually located in the top right corner or within the setup menu. Click on it. Once in the marketplace, use the search bar to find the RingCentral integration. Just type RingCentral and hit enter. You'll see the RingCentral integration listed now. Click the install button to begin the installation process. You'll be prompted to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. After accepting, you'll be directed to a configuration page here. You'll need to choose which Zoho CRM profiles should have access to the RingCentral integration. Select the appropriate profiles, like sales and support. Then click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to authorize the connection between Zoho CRM and your RingCentral account. Click the Authorize button, which will open a RingCentral login window. Enter your RingCentral credentials, your username or phone number and your password, and then click Sign In. Once authenticated, the integration will be complete. Now, when you receive a call in RingCentral, Zoho CRM will automatically display a screen pop with the caller's information. You'll also be able to log calls directly within Zoho CRM, saving time and ensuring accurate record keeping. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated RingCentral with Zoho CRM, streamlining your communication and boosting productivity. Start closing more deals and providing exceptional customer support today.